ये हमारे राजन भाई शर्मा मछली तालाब में घूमते हुए।
लोकेश भाई पास
पार्क है, पार्क, तालाब नहीं है।
हमारा कैमरामैन, लव यू।
देखिए जहाज भी दिखेगा अभी आपको।
एक ना वो है ऑटोग्राफी, बायोग्राफी ऑफ अ योगी, उसको ना मैंने एक इंटरव्यू में सुना था। विराट कोहली ने कहा कि वो किताब पढ़ने के बाद ना उसकी ज़िंदगी बदल गई।
बाबा की किताब पढ़ने के बाद?
हाँ, अब बायोग्राफी ऑफ अ योगी।
Okay.
तेरे को पता है वो 14 घंटे की वीडियो यूट्यूब पे अवेलेबल है।
ओहो।
मैंने उसको 2 हफ्ते में कंप्लीट करा था। मतलब एक तरीके से आई हैव हियर्ड दैट बुक, और उसके बाद से ना मेरी लाइफ एकदम चेंज हो गई। ये सच है। इट्स अ हाइट ऑफ मेहरौली। We are standing on a parallelly around 20-meter tower. You can see, Lokesh, the light tower is around the height of the light tower is around approximately 20 meters, and we are standing parallelly that light. So approximately 20 meter from the ground surface we are standing right now.
Okay, now you can continue
On which topic?
on that. Hear the book.
हाँ, ये वो the audio is available in both the languages, in English as well as in Hindi. So I preferred the native language, that is Hindi. So that because
We understand more in our own language.
and I could relate the better experience. For the better experience I preferred the native language. but after the completion of 14 or 15 hours, I was like, I met a person and I could have relate the experience with him as well. He was just a laborer, and he is doing laboring near Chhatarpur metro station. The bike repairman. So
Okay.
I get the experience from him as well. He was in the same field to get the 7 chakras in his body, and what the experience he shared with me, it was mind blowing, and I really respect and I really want to bow his what do you say, in his charan, not only because he is a human, he is a good human being. I really loved that. Nice views. With the naked eyes we cannot see that aeroplane, but with the OnePlus phone we can easily trace that aeroplane which has already disappeared in the sky. But from the camera of this fantastic phone we can easily trace this aeroplane. When I will become an international shooter, so English is a must. So from today onwards I am learning English. I'm working on my English as well. Maybe Lokesh can guide me. Lokesh can understand. Lokesh can have the good what you say, emphasize, or he has a good knowledge about myself in my past, what I how was my English that day when I met with him in 2010 and today 2014 itself, 2024 itself. In fact, approximately 14 years has been completed, and till now we are a good friends like Chaddi Vaddi, and actually he wants me to look you. I want he wants me to give a sight to the shit, so I really don't want to show this focus on the shit as well.
Now again,
Again, we have got a aeroplane. Actually, where we are living, this is nearby the international airport. So approximately after a 15 or 30 seconds, we can find another aeroplane. So this cycle is going through 24-hour cycle, and more than 700 agencies and approximately 50,000 aeroplanes are landing and parking on this international airport every day. So the traffic of the air aeroplane is very high. So only because of this reason we can find these aeroplanes.